Now we're going to take the rotating assembly out and install it into a power frame like you would out in the field. This is going to be a 24001-02-31A-RO rotating assembly, and we're going to be installing it to a medium power frame.
Okay, now we have our power frame sitting adapter face down over a hole big enough for the shaft to fit through. Very important. The first thing you want to do is lube the two faces where the bearings are going to slide through. Don't need much on that. And we pull our rotating assembly out of the bag. Set our lab seal and bolts out of the way. And then we want to look for top on our rotating assembly. And we lift the whole assembly, set it straight down, top facing up, and then drop. Just like that. And we got our other 3 bolts that we had in the bag. They're going to go into the power frame. And that's the insulation of that part. Now I have a little eye bolt, so I don't have to hurt myself getting this in and out. Yeah, next thing we do is we want to drive our guide tubes in. These have a rounded head and a flat surface. I drive the rounded head from the back side through. I let it stick out just a little bit. Same thing with the other side. Out a little bit. We have our gasket. These are offset holes, so it only goes on one way. Fits the holes that way, fits the holes this way. If you turn it around, it wouldn't fit the holes. But be sure you put that on right. Next thing, we have our adapter. We get our other lap seal, brand new out of the bag that was sent to you. Again, we lube that O-ring on the outside. And this adapter has a top and bottom, and you'll find that it's usually got the threaded hole on the top, or you can go by the push bowl holes. The one that's across the top, you won't have one on the bottom sides because they're offset. But that would be your top. And this lap seal has the same hole as the other lap seal did. That faces the bottom. lube that other O-ring, the one that fits over the shaft. Now, get our 4 bolts ready. Very careful when you put this on the shaft, because that lap seal is pretty fragile. Again, using your third arm. Turn around backwards. This is pretty loud in this clean room, so I'm going to hold your ears. Like these guide pins, you drive this in after you tighten. Now it's done.